If you want to use Stopwatch on Xiaomi Watch 5, what you need to do is you want to press the crown in order to open the list of apps. And then over here, we should be able to scroll down to eventually find the stopwatch. There we go. Now here we have our stopwatch. We can just tap on the start button to start the stopwatch. We can also count laps if you want to. You can pause and resume at any point. And if you pause the stopwatch, you can just reset it completely by using the square button. Now you should also be able, I believe, to use the button. Let me actually reopen the app again. There we go. I can just press the down button or the power button to simply start and pause the stopwatch at any point. So this is how it looks like. And if you press and hold, nothing happens. Let's say I'm gonna try to, actually this just activates Gemini. So yeah, so I was trying to find some additional shortcuts, but it seems that this is the only thing that we can do. At least that's what I could find. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.